Okay, subtracting two numbers for grade 1. Once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo. Thank you so much for watching our previous video, and today you will learn a new numbers. Subtracting with intent. We are now in chapter 3, and here are the objectives: to understand the meaning of minus sign. Second one, to learn subtracting numbers. 3, to solve word problems on subtraction. Fourth, to learn writing subtraction sentences. And the last objective is to apply knowledge to daily life. Okay, so subtracting two numbers. Last video or previous video, we learned about the meaning of subtraction. So this is a symbol or sign of minus. That means minus. And this one is called equal, means equal to. And minus means to take away. Take away. Now, subtracting two numbers. Let's say, for example, this one is counting backward by 1. So, subtract 1 from 4 and start with the number 4 and count back 1 step. So let's say, for example, here the snail. Can you see the snail? So they can, as you can see here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, 4 minus, as you can see here, subtract 1 from 4. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. So 4 minus 1. So this is how we write the subtraction sentences. So 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. And we read this as 4 minus 1 equals 3. So we count backwards. So we start from number 4. So 4, okay, 4 going back, one step backward. That is minus 1. So the answer here is 3. Okay, very easy. 4 minus 1 is 3. So just step backward one time. And here, you can see here, there are 4 stars. So subtract 1 from 4. And the answer is 3. So this is a subtraction sentence. As you can see here, 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 stars minus 1. As you can see here, minus 1. So the answer is 3. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Now, method number 1 when subtracting numbers. So subtract by using a number line. We will use a number line, okay? So start with the number 8 and count backward 3 times, okay? 3 times. So this is called a number line. So this is the line. So we will just count backward. 1, that is minus 3, right? 8 minus 3. So 1 time, that is minus 1. Step 1 backward. And then another 1. So there are 2 already, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 8 minus 1 is 7. And 7 minus 1 is 6. And here we go. 6 minus 1 is 5. So we write in number sentence here. As you can see here, 8 minus 3 is 5. So we will write in number sentence 8. As you can see here, this is number sentence. 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So we can also write the subtraction sentence like this. The other one, this one is called horizontal. Okay, horizontal from left to right. This is called horizontal. So we can also write the subtraction sentence like this. This is called vertical. From the top, you write number 8 here. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So this is called vertical. Okay, this one is horizontal. Again, vertical from top to down. And here, horizontal from left to right. Okay, that's method number 1, using a number line. So just count backward. 1, 2, 3. And the answer here is 5. Now here we go. Method number 2. We will subtract by crossing out. We will use X, cross out. So let's say, for example, there are 7 ducks. And then 7. And we will put the minus sign. 7 minus, let's say, 1. Okay, so 7 minus 1. So is equal to, what's the answer? Now we will cross out. Cross out like that, like a letter X. So we will count how many ducks are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 minus 1 is equals to 6. So the answer here is 6. So 7 minus 1 is 6. And now, another example in method number 2. The same, 7 ducks. 7 ducks minus, we'll write minus sign, and then minus, let's say 2. So the answer is, what do you think is the answer here? 7 minus 2. Okay, again, we will use the crossing out method. So we will cross out the first duck and then another duck. So 7 minus 2, we will cross out 2 ducks. So we will count how many ducks are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. So that's the answer. Very easy, right? So we will just crossing out the ducks. Now here, method number 3. Method number 3, in this method, we will use number bands. We call it subtract by using number bands. So here, as you can see here, the apples, there are 8 apples. So let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 apples, right? And then 4 apples are red, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write here 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the rest of the apples are green. Now the question here, how many green apples are there? How many green apples? There are 8 apples. 4 apples are red and the rest of the apples are green. So how many green apples are there? So we write here 8 apples minus 4 red apples. So there are 4 green apples, right? So if we use number bands, we put the square here and then make a line, and then here and another line, and then we put another box. This is called number bands. So we write here, there are 8 apples, 4 apples are red, and then we write here, there are 4 green apples. So therefore, the answer here is there are 4 green apples. Okay, so you know already the 3 steps. The first step is we use a number line, and then the second step or method number 2 is we use the crossing out, and the last method is called using number bands. Okay, thank you so much for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.